Waqt is-summit tal-COP26 li sar fi Glasgow, Malta kellha sem attiv ħafna. Dan kien kliem il-Kummissarju Għoli Ingliż għal Malta Katherine Ward f'intervista ma' One News. F'intervista magħna Ward qalet kif Malta kienet strumentali e kif irdupjat il-kontribuzzjoni tagħha fil-fond ambjentali tal-Ġnus Magħquda.
It was really notable that Malta signed up to many of the specific initiatives launched at this COP26. Which relate to kind of use of renewable energies, increasing electrification of vehicles. At the conference, Prime Minister Abela also announced the low carbon development strategy, a doubling of Malta's funding for the climate fund, etc. So Malta was a really active, positive participant in COP26.
Fl-intervista ma' One News, Katherine Ward innotat il-pożizzjoni ta' Malta li taqsam l-esperjenza tagħha mal-pajjiżi żgħar dwar it-tibdil fil-klima. Qalet kif dawn l-esperjenzi jistgħu jinqasmu fil-Commonwealth e kif is-sena 2022 ser tkun iċċelebrata is-70 sena ta' tmexxija tar-Reġina Elisabetta II u se jsiru bosta inizjattivi.
And in terms of what the Prime Minister said about small island states working together to share experience, etc. That is incredibly useful. And I know that there are plans afoot to sort of look at within the Commonwealth how we can do that more.
Fl-intervista magħna l-Kummissarju Għoli Ingliż f'Malta qalet kif ir-relazzjonijiet bejn Malta u r-Renju Unit imorru lura diversi snin. Hija semmiet kif Brexit offrit sfidi ġodda iżda r-relazzjonijiet bejn iż-żewġ pajjiżi baqgħu b'saħħithom. Ward notat kif 70% tal-affarijiet tal-ikel li jaslu f'pajjiżna għadhom jiġu importati mir-Renju Unit. Dan fil-waqt li matul l-2021 kien hemm żieda ta' 35% fit-turisti Ingliżi mis-sena ta' qabel.
I don't know whether you remember, but Prime Minister Abela announced with De La Rue a new important investment by them, which was going to create jobs, etc. And you see you've got big companies here like HSBC, you've got Queen Mary University London based in Gozo that are running a big university programme there. So we're still seeing British investment coming into Malta, which is really important.
Hija qalet kif bħalissa għaddejja ħidma bejn iż-żewġ pajjiżi biex ikun hemm iżjed kooperazzjoni fuq diversi setturi wara Brexit.
And we're also currently working with the Maltese government on a new whole framework of bilateral cooperation, which is going to cover a range of different issues. So we're actually looking to sort of strengthen our cooperation post-Brexit.
Dan ser ikun qed isir fid-dawl li matul l-2022 pajjiżna ser ifakkar 80 sena mill-logħti tal-George Cross mir-Re George VI għall-qlubija tal-Maltin waqt it-tieni gwerra dinjija.